Last episode, one event went from a producer into Kafka. But what happens when it's not one event a second? It's 100,000.
One topic, one line of events, one after another. Every consumer reading it has to wait its turn, because underneath, a topic is really just one ordered log. So Kafka splits the topic into partitions. Same topic, same events, just divided into independent, ordered logs that all live side by side. Here's why that matters. Each partition can be read by its own consumer at the same time. 3 partitions, 3 consumers, all working in parallel, not 3 consumers taking turns. But parallelism has a ceiling. A consumer group can't have more active consumers than there are partitions. 3 partitions means a maximum of 3 consumers doing work at once. A 4th just sits idle. Each partition also keeps its own position counter, an offset. 0, 1, 2, 3. A consumer doesn't remember every event. It just remembers one number, the last offset it read. That's what makes a crash survivable. The consumer restarts, checks its last saved offset, 4, and picks up exactly where it left off. Nothing lost, nothing replayed twice.
One more thing. Kafka doesn't guarantee order across partitions, only within one. So for anything that needs strict order, like all events for the same order ID, Kafka sends every event with that same key to the same partition, every time.
So more partitions means more parallelism, up to your consumer count. Each one keeps its own offset, and keys keep related events in order. Next time, what happens when a partition's only copy disappears?